Welcome back, thank you for joining me. In the last video I have added original all-weather floor mats for my V50. Today we're gonna do an additional upgrade. In particular, I'm gonna install the original Volvo Mudflaps for this V50. In my opinion, it just looks better with the Mudflaps, and it actually has a purpose of protecting and keeping the car a little cleaner than it is right now. I did purchase two kits, one for the front, one for the rear. Each kit is approximately 40 Canadian dollars from my local Volvo dealer. All the part numbers will be added in the description below the video. Each kit contains everything you need for installation, including hardware and printed instructions. Let's unpack the front kit. Obviously it has two mud flaps. Each one of them is marked with its own part number. I'm not sure if you can buy them separate, just in case if you damage one of them on the car. The front kit also contains protective tape that protects the fender from rubbing from the mud flap itself. These are the two little stickers that you will need to apply on the fender, the necessary screws and two rivets. So you will need a rivet gun to complete the installation. Printed instructions in different languages for both front and rear kits. And it's pretty self-explanatory what you need to do. So the instructions in the rear kit are exactly the same as in the front. The rear kit, obviously you'll have the two mud flaps, the instructions that are the same as the front ones, and the necessary screws. The rear one do not require rivets. I'm gonna start up front, and you actually don't need to remove the wheels to install the mud flaps, but because I'm switching from winter to summer tires, why not do it in one shot? This way it's more comfortable and actually you can see what I'm doing. Next you wanna clean the maintenance surfaces pretty good because there is a lot of dirt and debris. After that, remove the 3 Torx screws. You will need Torx 25 here. Then use some alcohol to degrease the surface where the sticker will be applied. Carefully align and stick the protective tape on the edge of the fender. Tighten by hand so you don't strip the threads. The remaining hole you will need to use a 5mm drill bit. Make a hole. I am actually so glad that I have a rivet gun, because when I need it, I have it. Alright, so the first front mud flap is installed, looking good. Repeat the same on the other side, which I did. Now let's move to the rear. Same on the rear ones, they are marked individually with a part number. Comment below if you know if we can order them separate and not in a kit. And they are made in Switzerland. Here I forgot about the top nut, it's actually 4 to remove and not 3. Same Torx 25. No rivets here, just the screws that come in the kit. And let's move to the last rear one. The same kit is installed on my XC70 front and back Mudflaps. I'm gonna put the link for that video just on the screen right hand top corner. If you wanna watch that, you're welcome. And installing the last summer tire on the car, torquing all the nuts, filling some air, and I'm good to go. Definitely the car looks more complete right now, that's my opinion. Comment below what you think, if it's worth it. And from experience, the mudflaps on the XC70 are intact. From all the winters I drove that cars through, no problems at all. I never broke one. So I do recommend this inexpensive accessory for your Volvo. If you haven't watched the first video on the Volvo V50 after purchasing, I'm gonna put a link right now on the top right hand corner. I hope that you like my video, subscribe to my channel, don't forget the notification bell, and I hope that this world crisis will be over soon and we will get back to normal life. Thank you and bye bye.